Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kali.Alexandria and today I'm going to be doing a real-time 15-minute fat-burning HIIT workout. I am super excited for this. I've been wanting to film this video for a while now, but finally I got all of the exercises that I want to focus on because I feel like these exercises are just perfect for my body and they are the most effective. So all you need is 15 minutes. It's just body weight and all you need is a mat. You don't even need a mat if you just want to use your floor, but that is everything that you need. So this workout is inspired by the queen herself, Sarah's Day. This is a 15-minute fat burning workout. I love how she structures her workout. So we're gonna go for 2 circuits and do 3 sets of each circuit, and we're going to be doing 30 seconds of each workout with a 30 seconds break. But that sounds like a lot, I know, but I am going to be doing this in real time with you. So go ahead and get your mat and let's start this workout. Okay, so I just wrote down everything on a separate sheet and we are going to start this workout in a couple seconds. So let me set this down, get my timer going, and we're starting off with high knees, chest to the floor. All right, let's do it. So we do 10 of those and then get down, put your chest to the floor, get back up, and repeat for 30 seconds. Okay, we're going into side plank, knee to elbow. So we're just going to start off with the right side. Next up is a tap push-up. Now, last one of this set, we are going into squat pulses. So right now you should feel your heart rate going, and that is how we're burning fat. Okay. That is the first round of circuit 1. Take a 30 seconds break, and we're gonna do that again. Seconds. We're going back to high knees, chest to the floor. Push it, guys, push it. Okay, up next, we have our side plank knee to elbow. Now we're doing the other side. My bad, let's get on this. Oh, I don't have as good of balance over here. Okay, and 2, push up to the tap. Now straight into squat pulses. Okay guys, still with me? Keep going, and then we have a break. Seconds. Okay, 30-second break, and then the last set of circuit 1. Okay, you should be breaking up sweat by now. That's a good thing. 2 seconds. High knees, chest to the floor. Let's do it. Plank now. We're staying here, going into push-up with a tap. Last one, squat pulses, and then we have a 30 or 60-second break. Come on, get as low as you can. We are 5 seconds left. And 60-second rest, and I will see you in 60 seconds. Okay. So guys, you can literally do this anywhere, before work, before school. All you need is 15 minutes and a space, and we have got you covered. Okay, up next is a half burpee. These are probably the most killer of this workout, but that's why I put them in here, because I feel like they are so effective. Okay, we are starting, and let's go. Try to get your feet as close to your hands as possible. Take seconds. Okay. Now we're going into a lower ab tabletop. This next one is one of my favorites. This is the plank up and down. This is where you're gonna get a strong core and strong arms. Now we're going into backwards lunges. Okay, 30-second rest. I have to fix my timer, it almost went off. Let's do it. We have 2 more sets of the circuit and then you're done. Okay. And let's do it. Second. Now we're going into lower ab tabletop. Really feel that in your abs. Think about those lower abs, guys. Oh, I'm not even paying attention. 3 seconds. 2, 1. We're going right into plank up and down.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow.
I'm so sorry. My camera just like shut off completely, but we're still going from where we stopped.
The ocean. Before I was done, I didn't wanna breathe on. My soul needs to sound.
Okay, 30-second rest, and then 1 more set. That is so annoying. I don't know why my camera just stopped. I think it probably got overheated, but especially when you're in a real-time workout, that can't happen. Okay, let's finish this up. Really strong, guys. This is your last set, and then you're done, so knock it out. Tabletop abs. flipping over, and we're going into plank up and down.
Before you came around, I was ready to slow down. Before you came around, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came around, I was ready to blow down.
Okay, last one, guys. We are almost at 15 minutes. Let's finish it out with lunges. Woo-woo, we did it, guys. Okay, let me stop that. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. As you can tell, I'm sweating. That's a good workout for me as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Give me a big thumbs up if you did. Comment down below if you guys did this with me or if you have any other workout requests. As you can tell, I'm very short of breath, but thank you guys so much for watching and doing this with me. I had such a fun time. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I post 2 videos a week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.